What I want to do, if you graduate from a college, I think you should get a green card automatically as part of your diploma, a green card to be able to stay in this country. Now,
Is this the end of OPT? Could the F1 visa duration be at risk really? And with Trump winning the election, could everything change for international students? Stick around as we dive into what his win means for F1 students, the OPT program, the H1B visa, and how it might shape your future in the United States. Well, Trump's win is making big headlines, but did you know that he is a supporter of legal immigration? Well, yes, you heard that right. While his policies may seem strict, Trump has expressed that he wants more pathways for skilled workers and graduates. So, what does this really mean for you if you are an international student? Let's break that piece down. Now, Trump's approach to the OPT program, which allows international students to work in the US after graduation, was actually a hot topic during his presidency. The OPT, especially the 2-year STEM extension, was viewed by some hardliners as a threat to American jobs. And while Trump himself hasn't openly attacked it really, there were hints of potential cutbacks in 2020 that actually raised eyebrows. And if changes come this time though, it could mean more restrictions or longer processing time, something to be aware of if you are planning your post-grad career in the US as well. So let's talk about student visa duration. Currently, you are allowed to stay as long as you are enrolled in school. That's pretty flexible, right? But during Donald Trump's last term, there was a proposal to limit student visas to 4 years and in some cases even just 2. And this created concerns for students in long-term programs like PhDs or anyone needing an extra semester or two to get past their master's degree as well, or even their bachelor's degree. Now imagine having to apply for extensions in the middle of your studies, adding more stress and expenses to the process. And if this proposal makes a comeback though, it could change how students plan their education and finances. Now let's get into the big one though, the H1B visa. Trump has always had strong opinions here, calling the system unfair to American workers. And during his presidency, he pushed for reforms that raised minimum wage requirements for H1B holders, making it a little tougher for companies to hire entry-level workers. But here's the kicker though, even with stricter policies, Trump's stance supports highly skilled immigration. So while access might become more competitive, skilled professionals could still find pathways open, potentially even streamlined ones and newer, more opportunistic ones as well. So here's the good news for F1 students thinking about the long term. Trump has already hinted at making it easier for top graduates to stay in the US in a podcast. He once said, "What I want to do, if you graduate from a college, I think you should get a green card automatically as part of your diploma. A green card to be able to stay in the country." Now, how is that a game changer? If this is a sentiment that gains traction, we could see new proposals benefiting students who excel in their fields. Now, what about Project 2025? Well, this has raised eyebrows due to its focus on reducing student visas for certain nations. The good news for international students, though, is that Trump has distanced himself even from applying these measures broadly. Finally, let's take a look at the 2026 H1B season. By the time the new administration steps in, competition for H1Bs is expected to be fierce, and that has always been the case since the past several years as well. But guess what? The job market isn't slowing down. Just the last month, the United States added 233,000 jobs. High demand fields like AI, data science, and healthcare are always on the lookout for talent, and companies are already preparing for the next H1B round, especially under the Trump presidency. Now, if you are job hunting or you're hoping to make that H1B cut, don't let speculation hold you back and fill you with all this negativity. Companies are still hiring, and they are still fast-tracking applications to avoid delays. Now, if Trump's win is a challenge or an opportunity, honestly, it's a bit of both. While some policies could become stricter, his support for retaining top global talent is pretty much unwavering, and it offers hope for new pathways, especially for skilled immigrants and skilled students, skilled graduates. Stay informed, stay proactive, and and be focused on building your EB1A profile, because it's the epitome of high-skilled immigration that you can get to. During your EB1A preparation, your profile might also meet the criteria for an O1A visa. Applying for O1A can first help you bypass the H1B lottery, and once your O1A visa is approved, you can then build on that momentum to apply for the EB1A green card. Who knows, under the Donald Trump administration the second time, your green card journey might be more within your reach than you imagine. I got my green card under Donald Trump's first presidency, and I am telling you this. Wondering how to start your EB1A profile building? Well, great news. We have recently launched the Smart Green Card Program Student Plan, and many students like you are already on their path to their EB1A green card. So don't miss out on this opportunity to secure your future. Check out the link in the description to learn more and join today. And don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and drop your questions in the comments below. We are here to guide you every step of your way in your immigrant journey. And until next time, this is Simon Shetty from Smart Green Card signing off. Peace.